children, I hope you all are fine. In last GK's video, we did Unit 1 Plants and Animals, and the topics which we covered were endangered animals, the champions, the Green Kingdom, all about plants, man's best friend. And now, in today's video, we will continue Unit 1 and I will also explain you some chapters of Unit 2. Today's topics are from Unit 1 Lions, that is on page number 29, then Spiders, page number 30 to 31, then Unit 2 Nature, chapter Antarctica, the White Continent, Deserts, the Milky Way. Okay, now let's come to our first chapter, Lions. Today's first chapter, Lions, page number 29. Open page number 29, children. Lions. As you all know, lions are big cats with long, sharp teeth. They are hunters. They hunt and kill many animals. The lion is often called the king of the jungle. How do female lions differ from male lions? Female lions are smaller and lighter than male lions. They do not have a mane, which is long hair on male's neck. What is mane? Mane is long hair on the male's neck. Who does most of the hunting? Female lions do most of the hunting. They hunt other animals. However, the male lions get to eat first. Next, the female lions eat, and finally the cubs. Baby lions are known as cubs. Now, what is a group of lions called? Lions live together in groups called prides. A pride of lions has 1 to 3 male lions. Most of the lions in the pride are females and cubs. Now, offbeat. A lion usually feeds once every 3 to 4 days. Now come to next page, page number 30, spiders. Spiders belong to a group of creatures called arachnids. Scorpions, mites and ticks are also members of the arachnid family. There are over 30,000 different types of spiders in the world. How many? 30,000 different types of spiders in the world. Now, is a spider an insect? Spiders are not insects. Spiders have 8 legs and only 2 body parts. Insects have only 6 legs and 3 body parts. So, spiders are not insects. Many insects have wings at some stage of their lives, but spiders never grow wings. Most insects have 2 big eyes, while most spiders have 8 eyes. Spiders don't have antenna, but some insects do. Here is a picture of spider and an insect. You can differentiate between the two. Spider is different from an insect. Now, what do all spiders make? All spiders make silk. Spiders have 4 or more openings to the back of their abdomen called spinnerets. Spiders use their spinnerets to spin silk. The silk is in liquid form at first, but it hardens as soon as it hits the air. The silk can be sticky or stretchy. Spiders use silk for spinning webs, climbing and wrapping their prey. Now, do all spiders spin webs? Not all spiders spin webs. Hunting spiders hide and wait for insects to pass close by, or they chase after prey. Hunting spiders have good eyesight, sharp fangs and strong, fast-acting venom. Venom is a type of poison. This allows them to kill insects that are much bigger than themselves. Are spiders dangerous? Most spiders are harmless to humans. However, the black widow spider has one of the most powerful poisons in the world. If left untreated, a bite from a black widow spider could result in death. Offbeat. The Goliath bird eater tarantula is the biggest spider of all. Even though many people people consider tarantulas to be dangerous. This is not true. Their poison causes about the same discomfort as a bee sting. Clear, children? Now we read about lions and spiders. Now our next chapter is, next unit 2 is nature, and first chapter of unit 2 is Antarctica, the white continent. Let's come to Antarctica, and the page number is 16. Page number 16, Antarctica. And Antarctica, the white continent. Why it is known as white continent? Because it is covered with ice. The Antarctica continent has fascinated explorers and scientists since the time it was discovered. Let's take a trip to this continent and write the correct answers choosing from the clue box. First, Antarctica is the largest continent in the world. How many continents are there in the world? 7. There are 7 continents. Yes. So, Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. Second, the mainland of the Antarctica continent was first discovered in which year? In 1820. It is the continent on this planet. It is the coldest continent on this planet. Which planet? Planet Earth. Now, next, fourth is, this continent has the air of all the other continents. This continent has the driest air of all the other continents. Since this continent is completely frozen, it is also known as the continent, children. It is also known as the white continent. The highest point on this place is Vinson Massif. Which is the highest point on this place? Vinson Massif. The first Indian expedition to Antarctica took place in the year 1982. The base camp established by India for conducting scientific studies is called Dakshin Gangotri. Next, Dash is the most popular bird of this continent. You all know. Most of you know. Penguin is the most popular bird of this continent. Now our last question is, the Antarctic Treaty was signed in which year? 1959. Now I am repeating all these answers, children. Listen carefully. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. The mainland of the Antarctica continent was first discovered in 1820. It is the coldest continent on this planet. This continent has the driest air of all the other continents. 5th is, since this continent is completely frozen, it is also called white continent. The highest point on this place is Vinson Massif. Which is the highest point on this continent? Vinson Massif. The first Indian expedition to Antarctica took place in the year 1982. The base camp established by India for conducting scientific studies is called Dakshin Gangotri. Children, what is the name of the base camp? Dakshin Gangotri. Which is the most popular bird of this continent? The most popular bird of this continent is penguin. The Antarctic Treaty was signed in 1959. So all these answers are clear to you. Now let's come to the brain gym and offbeat. First, brain gym. Brain gym. In last video also I gave you the brain gyms as your homework. So this time also I am giving you. Summertime in Antarctica is from, you have to write the answer. A live volcano on the Antarctica is dash. Now offbeat. There are no ports and harbors on Antarctica, but it has 19 airports. Now our next chapter is deserts. Deserts, page number 20. question number 20. Most of you know about deserts. What are deserts? What are deserts? Deserts are places where there is very little rain. Usually when we think of deserts, we think of places that are really hot. However, there are cold deserts too. And any place that gets less than 25 centimeters of rain or snow per year is a desert. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Outside the polar regions, the Sahara Desert is the biggest and hottest desert in the world. Which is the biggest desert? Sahara Desert is the biggest as well as hottest desert in the world. It covers most of North Africa and is almost as big as United States of America. Do people live in deserts? Some of the people who live in deserts are nomads who travel from place to place throughout the desert. Other people live in villages and cities which are built around an oasis. Now what is an oasis? An oasis is a place in a desert where water is found. This water allows plants to grow and people and camels to drink. Offbeat. About 1/5 of the earth's land is covered by deserts. So children, deserts are clear to you, and which is the biggest and hottest desert in the world? Sahara Desert is the hottest and biggest desert in the world. And people who live in deserts, they are nomads. Nomads live in the desert. Who are nomads? Nomads are the people who used to travel from one place to another. Now, our next chapter. I hope this chapter is clear. Next is page number 32. Next, come to page number 32. The Milky Way. Our next chapter is the Milky Way. Milky Way. You all have heard about Milky Way. Now, you have to give answers. Write the correct name in the blank space, choosing from the words given in the clue box. A comet that can be seen every 76 years. Name the comet that can be seen every 76 years. That is Halley. 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 Halley is a comet that can be seen every 76 years. Now next, a comet that can be seen every 75,000 years. That is Kohoutek. A comet that can be seen every 75,000 years is Kohoutek. Kohoutek. A group of stars that form a pattern, that is a constellation. Constellation is a group of stars that form a pattern. Then, fourth, a band which has 12 constellations, commonly called the sun signs. Zodiac. They are also known as zodiac signs. A band of 12 constellations, commonly called the sun signs, and it is also called zodiac signs. An imaginary line around which a planet turns. Axis. Axis is an imaginary line around which a planet turns. Now come to sixth question. Sixth fill up. A force which pulls objects towards each other. In class 4th you all have read. A force which pulls objects towards each other, gravity, or we can also call it gravitational force. The planet nicknamed as the jewel of the sky, Venus. Venus is the planet who is nicknamed as the jewel of the sky. The planet famous for its beautiful rings, you all know, Saturn. Saturn is the planet famous for its beautiful rings. The planet which is nicknamed as the red planet, Mars. Mars is also known as red planet. This is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Then offbeat. Milky Way is the name of the galaxy to which our solar system belongs. What is Milky Way? Milky Way is the name of the galaxy to which our solar system belongs. Our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. Now brain gym. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? What you have to do, children? You have to search. You have to find out the answer yourself. Now next, one more is there. Which is the coldest planet in our solar system? You have to find out these answers yourself. You can easily get these answers from, I know that you will Google all these answers. So, you have to write down. And write down these answers neatly. What you have to do, you have to write down all these answers in your book neatly. In neat handwriting. Okay, one more. Now next, one more chapter we will do from unit 2. One more, that is Sky High, page number 38. Children, Sky High, page number 38. Sky High. What you have to do? You have to match these airlines with the country. The first one has been done for you. India. The famous airlines in India, Air India. Now second, Italy. You have to match these countries with the airlines. The famous airlines in Italy, Alitalia Airlines. Alitalia Airlines. Then Bhutan. Bhutan, Druk Air. The famous airlines in Bhutan is Druk Air. Then Germany. Lufthansa Airways is the famous airlines in Germany. Then Greece. Greece. The famous airlines in Greece is Olympic Airways. Next, USA. The famous airlines in USA is Pan American Airways. Children, Pan American Airways is the famous airlines in USA. Then UK. British Airways. The famous airlines in UK is British Airways. Then Netherlands. The famous airlines in Netherlands is Royal Dutch Airlines. Russia. Aeroflot. A-E-R-O-F-L-O-T. Aeroflot is the famous airlines in Russia. Then last one, Australia. The famous airlines in Australia is Qantas Airlines. That is Qantas Airlines. Offbeat. All aeroplanes have codes painted on them that indicate their country of registration. In case of India, the code is VT. Here are some more. Bhutan A5, China B, Nepal 9N, Great Britain G, Sri Lanka 4R. Children, all these chapters are clear to you? So what is your homework? Your homework is to revise these chapters, and you have to also do these brain gym. I am writing homework on the board. Homework. Revise the work done. Find out the answers to the questions given in brain gym. In last video also I gave you homework, I gave you brain gym. So I am telling you the answers of those brain gym. Time. Brain gym given on page number 5. Which animal is in danger of being killed to get its horns? The correct answer is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is in danger of being killed to get its horns. Now next is, which largest member of the cat family is killed for its skin? Royal Bengal tiger is killed for its skin. Now next, the champs. Page number 6, brain gym. Write the name of the smallest fish. What is the name of the smallest fish? The Pediocypris progenetica. I am writing the spellings. The correct answer, this one. Page number 6. Brain gym. First one. The correct answer is the Pediocypris Cypris progenetica. Progenetica. You can note down. Now the second, the name of the smallest reptile, dwarf gecko, is a kind of lizard. The smallest reptile, dwarf gecko, and is a kind of lizard. Then on page number 7, sponge is a plant or an animal? Sponge is a type of animal. Lichen is a kind of plant or fish? Lichen is a kind of fish. Oh, sorry, plant, not a fish. Lichen is a kind of plant, not a fish. Then page number 27. Page number 27. No brain gym is there on this page, and not on page number 28. Man's best friend. So all the answers of brain gym I have told you. Now note down the homework. Find out the answers to the questions given